everyone, welcome to Cosmic Kids. I'm Jamie and this is your place for yoga, stories and fun. It's easy, just copy the moves I do and enjoy the adventure. Now we always start in the same way, and that's by sitting on our bottoms, crossing our legs and bringing our hands together at our hearts to say our secret yoga code word, which is Namaste. Ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Namaste. There. Now we're ready to begin. And today we have a special story based on a brilliant book. It's called Grandude's Green Submarine, and it's been written by a very cool Grandude and legendary musician called Sir Paul McCartney. Grandude is Edward Marshall Sr., but his grandchildren, known as the Chillers, are Lucy, Tom, Em and Bob. They call him Grandude instead of Grandad. Let's join them on a magical adventure. Our story begins on a boiling hot summer's day. So let's come up to stand without touching our hands on the floor. Here we go. Ooh, very good, everyone. We uncross our legs, reach up to the sun, wave at the sun and say, "Hello, sun." The Chillers are hanging out on the tree in the garden, folding all the way forwards, dropping our chin to our chest, rolling all the way down to hang out over the branches of the tree, just like the Chillers. Oh, it's too hot to do anything today. Rolling up to stand. Luckily, Grandude has a lovely cool shed. He opens up the door. Let's try a door pose. Coming down to 2 knees, our leg to the side, arm to the sky. We open up the door with a whoop. He invites the Chillers to come inside and cool down, closing the door behind them. Coming all the way back to centre, 2 knees together, leg to the other side, arm to the sky, and now let's close the door. Ooh. Coming to sit with legs out long. Phew, it's so much cooler in here. Taking our arms out wide, the Chillers twist one way to look at, wow, all the crazy cool inventions. Then twisting the other way, arms wide. Look, there's a picture of Nandude. They decide to go on an adventure to find her. Grandude has the best thing ever for their trip. A bright green submarine. Let's do our submarine pose. Coming to lie on our backs with our arms out wide, we stretch one leg long across the floor and our other leg up to the sky, like the periscope of a submarine. Wow, it's a beauty. Grandude uses his magic golden compass to get the green submarine started. Lowering our leg, coming up to sit, up we come to stand and stepping our legs wide. Arms wide, he says the magic words.
Magic needle spinning round, lift this green sub off the ground.
Coming down to sit on our bottoms, everyone, taking our legs out nice and wide. Now we go zing all the way over one way and all the way back up. We go bang all the way over the other way and all the way back up. Then we go sizzle, 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 all the way forwards, bringing our arms down in front of us to rest as the green submarine lifts off into the sky. Grandude and the Chillers head to a little village to find Ravi, who may know where Nandude is. Coming up to sit, walking our hands all the way back. Ravi meets them off the submarine and takes them to watch the parade. There are beautiful elephants. Let's do our elephant pose. Up we come to stand, jumping our feet wide. We take our hand behind us to be our little elephant tail and reach our other arm all the way up to be our trunk. Now let's do a big trumpet all the way forwards and all the way up. Here we go. Very good, everyone. There are horses clip-clopping along. Let's do our horse pose. Let's come down onto one knee, bring our hands to our hearts, reach our arms up high and rock forwards and backwards going. There's so much music and dancing. Ravi takes out his sitar to play a tune. Coming to sit with our legs out long in front of us, we pick up one of our feet, holding our leg in our arms like a sitar, and then we use our fingers to pluck the strings. Wow, it's such a beautiful sound. Nandu taught Ravi this tune. He plays some more on the other side, lowering that foot down, picking up the other side now, and having another little pluck and a strum. Now, to find Nandu, they must follow the notes of the song. Oh, all of a sudden, it begins to rain. Crossing our legs, everyone, using our fingers to pitter-patter, drip-drop all over our faces and heads, our chests and our bodies, our legs and our arms, all the way down the arms and then onto the floor. This is no ordinary rainstorm, it's a monsoon, and the green submarine begins floating down the river like a boat. Let's do our boat pose. Sitting up tall, knees bent, hands behind us for support. We lift up one foot, lift up two, lift up one hand, and lift up no hands. Granddude and the chillers hop aboard and they wave goodbye to Ravi. Bye, Ravi! As they swoosh down the river, they see and hear the jungle animals, all singing Nandude's tune. There are toucans and tigers. Let's try a tiger pose. Coming onto our hands and our knees, we stretch one leg all the way back and take our opposite arm forwards. Now we do a big growl. Ready? Very good. Let's try it on the other side. Lowering our hand and our leg. Stretching our other leg now. We reach our other arm and do another nice big growl. Excellent. Well done, everyone. There are baboons and birds. Let's try some baboon bouncing. Coming into a little crouch position, we take our hands and put them to the side. Now we're going to hop over to the other side with a bounce. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boing. Very good. And the other way. 1, 2, 3. Boing. Excellent. Well done, everyone. Look, there are lemurs and leopards. Let's try our dancing leopard pose. Coming onto our hands and knees, we stretch one leg up back behind us and we take our other arm forwards, reaching round to see if we can find our foot. Have we got it? Yes. Now we kick our foot into our hand, enjoying our wonderful dancing leopard pose. Well done, everyone. Releasing our foot and lowering it to the ground. Shall we try that on the other side? Come on, let's have a go. Lifting our other leg now. We take our arm forwards. Oh, using our tummy muscles to balance. We reach round to grab our foot. Can we find it? Yes. Now we kick our foot into our hand. Kick, kick, kick. And enjoy that lovely stretch in our bodies. Very good, everyone. Lowering our hand and our foot. There are warthogs and bullfrogs. Let's come into a crouch position, taking our knees wide and using our fingers for a bit of balance. After 3, let's do a big ribbity leap into the air like a bullfrog. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ribbit. Very good, everyone. All of the animals are singing Nandude's tune. The river is running so fast. Granddude says,
I have a notion. We're heading for the ocean.
and sure enough, the green submarine plunges into the ocean. It's beautiful down here. There are so many amazing sea creatures. There are dolphins. Let's try our dolphin pose. Coming up onto our knees, everyone, keeping our toes tucked behind us. We crisscross our fingers in front of us and drop down onto our forearms. Now, keeping our tummies nice and strong, we rock forwards and backwards, doing our special dolphin clicky sounds. good, everyone. There are sharks here too. Let's try our shark pose. Lying on our tummies, we crisscross our fingers behind our back, roll our shoulders up and back, and lift up our shark fin. Now let's do some shark lolling from side to side. Here we go. Lolling, 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 lolling. Excellent. Look, there's also a ginormous whale. Let's try a whale pose. Lowering our hands, we come to sit on our bottoms with our knees bent and our feet flat. Now we slowly roll all the way down, placing our arms by our side. Now let's lift up our hips as we say bubble, 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 pop. Very good, everyone. Lowering all the way down. But uh-oh, there's a jolt. It goes dark. They get caught in the tentacles of a giant octopus. Coming up to sit. Let's do our octopus pose. Keeping our hands behind us, we lift up one leg and we waggle it around like a couple of tentacles. Now the other side, that's 4 tentacles. Now an arm, that's 6. And now the other arm, that's 8 tentacles. It's grabbed the green submarine and it begins squirting black ink everywhere. Let's do our hose pose. Sitting with our legs out long in front of us, we sweep one leg back behind us and we lift up our other leg to do some squirty black ink. Here we go. Pew, 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 pew. Let's try some on the other side. Lowering our leg, sweeping our other leg forwards, we sweep our leg back again and lift up the other side. Here we go. Pew, 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 pew. Goodness me, they can't see a thing. Granddude can't find his magic compass. Whatever will they do? Crossing our legs. It's so dark. They can't see a thing. But then they hear something, giving our ears a rub all the way from the bottoms to the tops. Is that a song? Yes, it's Nandude's tune, getting louder and louder. Each note makes a light in the sea, making a magical light show. It's Nandude in her underwater ship. Let's do our boat pose again. Sitting up tall, knees bent, lift up one foot, lift up 2, lift up one hand, lift up no hands. Nandude to the rescue. And with the music playing, the octopus begins to dance. Let's come into our dancing octopus pose. Up we come to stand. Taking our legs nice and wide, we turn out our toes and bend our knees, taking our arms out wide to be our tentacles. Now we do our crazy octopus dancing. Here we go. Woo! Yeah! The octopus is loving the tune, enjoying the music so much that it releases the green submarine and lets them go free up into the sea. Stretching our arms and legs long, the trail of Nandude's music folds all the way forwards. It scoops up, wrapping our arms around our shoulders, the green submarine, bends our knees, up we come, reaches up into the sky to release the green submarine into the clouds, homeward bound. Well done, everyone. Jumping our feet together, crossing our legs and coming to sit with our legs crossed. Ah, they land safe and sound back in Granddude's garden. What a fun adventure that was. So glad to be home. After that, they go inside and enjoy some delicious tea and biscuits, rubbing a hand on our tummies and patting our heads at the same time. Let's try it on the other side, bringing our other hand on our tummies and patting our heads at the same time. Nandude gives the chillers a big hug, arms wide, wrapping them up. She's so happy to see them. And they all snuggle down with one of Nandude's special lullabies, with everyone falling asleep. Let's lie ourselves down now and enjoy some special quiet, calm relaxation time. We take a big deep breath in through our nose and out through our mouth. Oh, it's lovely just to be still after such a cool adventure with Granddude, the Chillers and Nandude. We followed the notes of the song to find her, and along the way saw so many things. The parade, the jungle animals, the ocean, the octopus. It's wonderful spending time with grandparents, if we're lucky enough to have them, to share in the magic together, to play, to imagine, to learn, to go on adventures, just like the Chillers did with Granddude. If you have your grandparents, enjoy the time you spend with them. Laugh together, share music together, enjoy your special time. We learn so much from them, and they learn so much from you. A very, very special bond. Slowly now we begin to wake up, wiggling our toes and wiggling our fingers, hugging our knees into our chest and rolling onto our sides to press ourselves up to sit with our legs crossed. We bring our hands together at our hearts and we finish just the way we started, with our secret yoga code word, which is Namaste. Ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Namaste. Wow, you were amazing in Granddude's Green Submarine. I hope you enjoyed that yoga adventure and you enjoyed the book. And I'll see you again soon for another Cosmic Kids adventure. Bye-bye.